Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different than my typical videos. My compressor broke down and I was actually not even considering it as a video. But then as I started messing around with it, I thought I'll just shoot footage as I'm going along, and if I can make a video out of it, then I will. And I did, and it's really long and it's probably boring. So if you don't want to watch it, I completely get it. But if you want to watch it, here it is. So thanks. Okay, so I put everything back together. I put the motor back on and put the belt on. I did not put the protective thing on the belt. I will put it on, trust me. But for right now, I'm not. The pump has oil and it's full and it's clean, so I don't think I need to change it. I opened up the air filter and there was nothing in there. I don't know if there's supposed to be an air filter in here or not, but there's nothing in there. So maybe I ought to put something in there, but I don't know. That turned smoothly without the belt. So let's just see what happens. I got it plugged in and let's give it a shot. Let's see. Okay. It works. All right, I'm confused but happy. But this appears to leak. You hear it? Okay, so the compressor, when I shake it, I can hear there's liquid in the tank, so it's probably water. I'm guessing it's condensation or something. So I need to get under there and see if there's a way to drain it. Okay, so as usual, I don't really know what I'm doing. I guess I'm supposed to loosen this little thing. I don't want to, or do I have to take off this big thing here? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, got it. That loosened way too easy. And I don't see, oh yeah, there's some stuff coming out. Okay, hang on. Here we go. That's it. That's all that came out. Oh gosh, I guess I gotta undo that big one. All right, here we go. Okay, this is not big enough. Come on, man, come on. Okay, now's when I should probably ask this question. Does it matter if there's water in there? It's probably not good, right? I'm guessing it's... Aha. Oh man. It's hot. It's a hot day. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'm sweating. Okay, so let's review. when I was using the compressor, I was using it pretty heavy, and then it just seized up and stopped running, and it made this humming noise. And I thought, oh great, it's the pump locked up and the motor is being stuck or something. So my friend said, well, disconnect the belt and then plug in the motor and see what you got. So I did that, and it took a second for the electrical motor to kick on. It went and then it started. So I thought, just for grins, I'm gonna rehook them back up. But before I do, let me double check the oil, because I've checked it before and it's always been fine. And I opened it up, and the oil's like green and beautiful, and all the way to the max line. And so I'm not touching that. By hand, without the belt, I turned the wheel on the pump, and when you get the compression, it tightened up just a little at the top of the stroke, but it was fine. It wasn't like there was nothing rough about it. So I thought, okay, I'll hook it all back up and see if it works. And I did, and it works. So my friend, who knows a lot more about this stuff than I do, thinks it's probably a capacitor that they get hot and then they don't function. So that the electric, I don't know anything about this stuff, by the way. I just don't know any of it. The electric motor has these two lump things on it, and one of them, he said, is a capacitor. So I decided I'm going to put this thing all back together, because that capacitor is right at the top and easy to get to. So I'm going to put everything all back. Oh, and also, sorry, he also said that you got to be careful, even if it's unplugged, because the capacitor holds a charge, and you have to sort of, he said you have to, make a circuit there so it loses the charge. But now I'm getting all scared, with that stuff. But so I decided I'm going to put it all back together. I'm going to clean up the pump, because it's got dirt and stuff. And there's no, like I said, there's no nothing in that air filter. So I'm going to makeshift some sort of thing to go in there. And I want to get the water out of it and sort of service it, so to speak. And gosh, it's still filling up with water. Anyway, sorry, I've been yapping too long. Don't know how tight to go. I don't want to break anything, but I've always had this problem. Even when I was a kid working on motorcycles, I didn't know when I'd torque something down and break it. I want to say that's good. All right, hopefully that won't leak. We'll see. All right, so I suppose this is the moment of truth. Let me review. I've closed the thing on the bottom. I put this new thing on. I've got this thing covered back up. I don't have the air filter on it. I went to Granger this morning and ordered a little thing to go in there. I'll put that little cover back on, but I've done without it for 10 years, so I don't think it's going to hurt anything. The oil is full. It looks good. Let's see what happens. That's good. I don't feel anything. All right, I didn't screw it up. Here's where I'm at. I want to put this thing goes, this thing goes up here on this guy, right? And I've always had it like this because that's the way my dad put it. And then, but if you notice that handle, I always hit the side of the workbench. So I think what I want to do is I want to scoot it over a little bit, but hang on. But the bolt goes through here, but it won't fit through those. So I'm gonna get my Dremel out and make wider holes. Okay, I'm gonna say that's okay. That one goes there. Oh shoot, that's not gonna fit. I'm gonna get a drill. All right, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll try it. I hate doing this. I hate drilling into existing holes. That's why I hate it. What do you know? Okay. All right. I think we're working. I think it's all good. I'll try out this crappy sprayer I got and see what. Well, that's it for now. It's working. I don't need to repeat anything that I've already repeated myself enough in the video. So I just want to thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.